Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Google Analytics account with your Google Search Console. To connect these accounts, first of all, you have to log into your accounts on Google Analytics, or you can also log in on your Search Console. If you haven't created your account so far, then you have to create your account first and then you can connect them. So I am going to guide you how you can link these accounts. You can link these accounts either using Google Analytics or using Google Search Console. I will show you the both methods. First of all, let's see in Google Analytics. Once you are at the home page of Google Analytics, you will see a recommendation that it says link your Google Search Console property. If you can't see this recommendation here, then you can navigate to admin. Then go to Search Console links. You can also, if you don't find this link here, then you can click on product links and then Search Console links. You can click on it and you will land on this page, Search Console links. You can click on link and then choose your account. If your account is the same you used for Google Search Console, then it will appear here and you can select it. If not, then you can click on add a property. Then it will ask you to add a site to Search Console and you will be redirected to Google Search Console, where you have to add your website and verify the property, and then you can link your account here. Okay, I am cancelling it as I have already account on Google Search Console. I will just select the property here, then click confirm. After confirming, you have to click on next. Then it will ask you to select web streams. Click on select, and in my case I have one. If you have more, then you can select the one you want to use. Click on choose, then click on next and then click on submit. Here you can see Google Search Console account has been linked successfully. If you want to use Google Search Console, then you have to come here and click on settings. Then here click on associations. And here you can see Google Analytics. Click on associate. As you can see, I already have an account that is linked with the same Google account. So it asked me to choose. Click on choose and continue. Then it is also asking me to select the data stream. If you have already connected it in Google Analytics, then you don't have need to repeat this process, but I am just showing you that how you can do this in Google Search Console. Continue and then confirm association. After that, your Google Analytics has been associated successfully with Search Console. So to confirm this, you can come here, close, go to reports, and here you can click on library. Here you can see our Google Search Console has been connected successfully. You can see a card appears here. If you don't see this option published to all, you can click on these three dots and here it says unpublished, but you will see publish, and then once you click on publish, then your account will be connected successfully. In this video, that's it. If you have any question related to this video, leave them in the comments below and I will answer your questions.